child in the way they should go. But in this version that I'm reading right now, it says they start children off on the way they should go, and even when they are old, they will not turn. They will not turn from it. It means to say, train our child on the way we should go, or train our children according to the will of God. So, by training, how we're going to train our kids according to the will of God or according to the Bible. You can only get that wisdom by prayer. So, even though you're still pregnant right now, Kendra, like start praying for your baby, even for this. Start praying for your baby, declaring the blessing from the Lord, declaring the goodness of God will follow your children as they grow old, even though they're not born yet. Like declare the goodness of God, declare the blessing, speak forth blessing upon them. Because the word that comes out in our mouth is very powerful. Maybe for now it seems that it doesn't make sense. But when as you keep declaring, it will come to